Good morning and welcome to AAA News. Today we have a special on global warming, fact or fiction.
Global warming alarm is dressed up as science, but it's not science. It's propaganda.
There's no direct evidence which links 20th century global warming to anthropogenic greenhouse gases.
We're just being told lies. That's what it comes down to.
You can't say that CO2 will drive climate. It certainly never did in the past.
If the CO2 increases in the atmosphere as a greenhouse gas, then the temperature will go up. But the ice core record shows exactly the opposite. So the fundamental assumption, the most fundamental assumption of the whole theory of climate change due to humans is shown to be wrong.
The whole thing stinks.
What's the truth in the debate over global warming? Where are we today?
Somebody's heard about global warming, but what exactly is it? Global warming is very basically the process of our Earth warming due to an overabundance of greenhouse gases.
There's no debate that greenhouse gases, the main concern about global warming, exist, but whether that overabundance is due to humans or to natural processes is the main debate. After hours of research and an interview with an expert, this news team believes that global warming is, by all appearances, a natural process.
Global warming is a myth, M-I-T-H, myth.
People are blowing this crisis out of the water. This is mainly due to the media, who use the danger factor to reel people in. Have you ever heard of Chicken Little in the sky falling? Well, the media seems to be using the same strategy here. Global warming believers say that because of humans, polar ice caps are melting and CO2 levels are spiking, therefore causing warming climates. However, as this graph shows, Arctic sea ice is constantly changing. From year to year, there are increases and decreases. It's a natural process. And according to NASA, Arctic sea ice is actually at a maximum as of 2010. The argument that global warming is a man-made process is the most famous argument, and many people believe that there's really no opposition when actually, that's not the case. Currently, there are many scientists, climatologists included, that refute the idea that global warming is man-made. In fact, on the website petitionproject.org, over 31,000 scientists from the United States and around the globe have signed a petition to show that the claim of settled science and an overwhelming consensus in favor of the hypothesis of human-caused global warming and consequent climatological damage is wrong. Through our research, we found graphs of Earth's climate through the years. In fact, in Dr. Schillinger's books, Evolution of Earth and Its Climate, and The Birth, Life, and Death of Earth, he shows that Earth is currently in a cooling phase. Can the Earth really be warming when this graph and the ones in Dr. Schillinger's books show we're currently in a cooling stage? There is basic evidence showing the Earth has gone through cycles of warming and cooling periods. Now we take you to a small bit of our interview with Dr. Schillinger himself. The first question is, what exactly is your position and why is that?
We did a lot of studies. We have 2 books published. And the model we present there has not been disproved by anybody. We showed that the increase in the CO2 concentration in the atmosphere results in cooling rather than warming. We are approaching another ice age.
You have it, not only an interview with an expert, but facts that show why global warming is a natural process.
Thanks for tuning in to this special episode of AAA News. See you next time.